Hey guys, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. So today I'm making Tricolour Quilled Jhumkas. So let's see how I've made this. For this we need a lot of strips of paper like saffron, light saffron, cream, white, clear white, light green and the dark green. So now I'll just paste them all together. So first of all I'm pasting this saffron, the darker saffron. The lighter saffron I'll paste. One by one we have to paste them all together. Now another saffron, light saffron I'm pasting here. Then now the cream, white, and now I'll paste the green strip. Now once you have pasted them all together, now the saffron end of the strips we will put into the quill needle and then start making a quill. We have to simply roll it out in the needle. You have to do it carefully so that it doesn't come out of the needle. And now it's done. A big quill is formed around the needle, and now I'm just making it more tighter. And now I'll paste it up. Apply some Fevicol. Yeah. Now once you have pasted it, carefully remove it. And see, it's done. Yeah. Now I'll just press it a bit on both the sides. Now I will push it with the help of the thumb. Push it until the jhumka kind of shape is formed, and it's done. Now I'm applying glue on the inner side, and on the outer side also I'll do the same. Apply some generous amount of glue and spread it all over it. And after you have applied the glue inside and outside, we'll keep it to dry. Now I'm taking another strip of paper which is half of the quill strip that we get of white and a saffron I'm taking. Now this also from the whiter end I will put into the needle and start making a quill. And once you have made it, now with the help of our fingers we'll try to make a leaf shape. And once the leaf shape is formed, apply the glue on the end. Now I'll take the earring hooks and make it a little wide. I'm doing it with my hands. You can use tools as well like pliers and all to widen it up a bit. And now I'll just fasten into this. I'm doing it with the help of hands. Again, I'm saying you must use pliers. But if you can do it with your hands, then like me, then you can do it. And see, it's done. I have fastened it up. Now I'll apply glue on this as well, on both the sides. We are doing this so that the quilt doesn't open it up and make it more stronger. We'll apply it all over it, front, back, side, everywhere. And now leave this to dry, and after it has dried up, see, this is how it looks. Now I will stick this together again with the help of glue. Yes, and I have stick this up. We'll keep this to dry as well, and once it dries up, now with the help of Tricolour 3D outliner, this is Pearl 3D outliner I'm using, and make the pearl kind of thing. It's really very interesting. You almost use it. It gives a feel of a pearl. Any kind size of pearl you can make it. A lot of color comes as well in this. There is a golden also, and neon colors as well. Now lastly, I'll apply the transparent nail polish all over it to make it water resistant. And yes, my Tricolour Quilled Jhumka is ready. So how did you all like this Tricolour Quilled Jhumka of mine? Do let me know in the comment section. Until then, bye bye.